TickTick setup. In this video, what I am going to be doing is showing you how you are going to be setting up this amazing project management and task management platform for yourself. How you're going to be setting it up, how you're going to be managing it, and how you are going to be starting off your work with this platform. Okay. I'm going to be talking about it in great depth and detail, and we're going to have a full on planned out video on it. So, it's a system adored by real users, and it includes project management, personal planning, daily journaling, annual goal settings, and the pursuit of life's dreams. So, if you're seeking a solution that aligns with your needs, do make sure to keep on watching. Now, first of all, to start things off, what you are going to be doing is you're going to come over to TickTick.com and you're going to make sure to sign up. Okay, the sign up is totally free, but if you want the upper plans for TickTick, they are less than $3 a month, so do make sure to get that for yourself. If you want the monthly plan, you are going to get that for $4 a month. Okay, this is the yearly plan. Now, once you have created an account for yourself, you're going to come straight over to this section. So once we're over here, let's first of all start talking about project management. Now let's dive into the heart of productivity, okay? So basically, we should start by distinguishing between tasks and projects, okay? We all deal with those kinds of feelings and just stretch for what feels like forever, okay? So they're not getting it done in a day or two, maybe not even in a week, and they're not just regular tasks. Okay, they're the complex ones that need breaking down into a bunch of smaller tasks. So picture this: getting a driver's license is not just about a quick drive. We're talking learning all of the traffic rules. So let's say I'm going to create a task here called driver's license. Okay, so here's a task created, right? Now, in this task, we have all these different things like learning rules. Okay, then we have having practice on the road. Okay, we have something like that. Then you could also go on with other, features like dealing with paperwork, getting your exams done, and stuff like that. So you can create all those lists down here, and you can basically create it in a checklist for better working. Now, obviously, once I've created this task, do you want to go ahead and create a separate project file for it? Or do you want to, just keep it in as tasks? Now, I'm going to create a separate project file for it. And what you can do is you can actually drag this task into this project. Okay. So now that you've thrown it all into a project folder, now what's going to be happening is you can also share this project around with people. So let's say we have this project here, simply click on share and just share it off with people. Now, obviously, do make sure that if you want to share along with other people in the workspace and collaborate, you are going to want to make sure that your TickTick is email verified. Okay, so whatever email you've used for signing up, make sure that everything is verified and good to go. Okay, and obviously, while naming it, do make sure to, give it some type of flair. So let's say I'm going to give it the color green. Okay, we're going to call it project, and I'm going to leave a nice little emoji beside it. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna go ahead and keep this. Okay, now once we've done that folder, we're gonna keep it on none. What kind of view do you want? Do you want a list view, a Kanban view, or the timeline view that you can get on the upper premium plan? I'm gonna go with Kanban view. And once we have done this, we're going to click on save. And look at that. Now we have driver's license over here where we have two checkpoints. On driver's license, you have to learn the rules and have some practice on the road. And just like this, you can create a new section, okay? And these different sections can be for different types of tasks that you want to do for this project, okay? That's what your project is all about. You're going to throw all of your ongoing projects into this Kanban list, okay? Then, we have other features like the inbox section where you can capture all your tasks and ideas in this one place. So if you want to add random tasks that spontaneously come to your mind, you're simply going to add them here, like create a video. Okay. Now we have this task over here, and in this task, what we have to do, the further details can be added into this section as well. So once you've created this task, simply, grab it, bring it over here. There we go. That is how easy it is, and that is how, fun and easily you can get to your project milestone. All right. So, once you've done this for yourself, now you actually have a list that is a project list for you, and you can pretty much go ahead and check things about it and work along with it however you please. You can also edit the views for yourself. If I want to switch it to a list view, I can do that right there. But if I want to switch it back to a Kanban view, that can be done too. You can also hide the completed tasks, show the completed tasks. You can show details of those tasks. You can also view options that you can change. So do you want a small Kanban size? Do you want a large Kanban size? However you want it. And then we have this input box over here as well, where we can pretty much add a task. Then you also show date by either task time, or it could be a countdown, okay, that you can actually set for each consistent task that you have by going into the task settings. So the task cast settings, like add subtask, which we did with this task over here. Now, once we have done that, you can also pin the task to the board if you want to. You can also won't do on a task. So it's basically that, this task is here, but you're not going to do it right now. It's off limits for now. And you can go ahead with uploading attachments. You can also, add different types of activities into it. By adding attachments and activities, you're basically, making your tasks better. You're making your whole project generally much better. Okay. That is the whole idea of, using TickTick for your management. All right. Then moving on, you can also use the different templates that TickTick provides you for your board. Okay. So let's say I want to add something, and, I want a list of it that's already there. Now, first of all, what you can do is you can actually switch your views. And once you switch your views, all of the tasks that you have added recurringly, they're going to appear like this. And they're going to appear either according to the date that you've added them, or they're going to appear according to the date or the due date that you've added for them. Okay, that is how easy and simple it is. All right. Then moving on, what you can do, you also have shortcuts in your board that I personally like to set up a lot, because they make life much easier for you. So if you want to sync, just click on the full stop that you can see on your keyboard. Control S for save, escape for cancel, Control Z for undo, Control Shift Z for redo, and so on. Okay. And if you want to add a new task, just click on Tab N. So, let's say we're over here. I want to add a new task. We're going to go Tab N there, and there we go. So it's going to quickly add a task for me. Now, TickTick doesn't personally, yet have any AI capabilities like other to-do list softwares, but they are working on it, and they are going to bring it. But if you want to use other integrations for yourself, you can simply come over to settings, and here you have all this repertoire. So you go over to integrations and import, and yeah, you can either add tasks via email. You can import from different to-do list softwares, and then you have the subscriptions as well that you can integrate for yourself. All right. Now moving on, you can also customize everything for yourself. These are the features that you can see. So you can turn on calendar, Eisenhower matrix, habit tracker, Pomodoro, all of them are there. Then we have smart lists as well to edit. You can check and uncheck all of your daily notifications, set the time format for yourself however you please, and you can work with the appearance of the software itself as well. All right. So let's say I want to keep it on a navy blue, and you have city series. So you can choose any city that might be free for you. Usually it isn't free, but you can see if they might have given it to you. So, generally this is the main idea of TickTick, and this is how you're going to be setting TickTick up for yourself to create projects, create tasks, and work along with them. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is going to be all for me for this video. And I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.